Oh, sounds nice, looks nice. That's the way to start a run chase. You'll be nodding along with the skill set shown there. Change of pace and the wrist work was superb. Waiting, there it is. The boundary.
Respond, how does he close it out? Whack, there you go, another boundary. Shows some real momentum. The Pakistan flags are waving.
That's a lovely shot. Shots flowing, runs flowing at the SCG. All off the blade of Rizwan. And this. Oh yeah, just set himself, let his hands do the talking. Goes tighter but sets himself up once again. Same result. Back-to-back boundaries.
Again! That's massive! That's 30 rows back, Mel Jones.
The word that comes to mind is audacious. First and foremost, the hands for the boundary to the offside, and then he just sits back and says, come on, what have you got, Lockie Ferguson? If you want to put it around my chin, I can handle that. This is something special to watch. The start of his career, he is making a name for himself right here at the SCG.
Well, that is some shot. It really was. Those two shots back to back, reminiscent for me of Virat Kohli at the MCG.